Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through how to deactivate your account on the Discord app using a PC with the newest update. If you've been thinking about taking a break from Discord, but don't necessarily want to delete your account forever, disabling it is the best option. Let's go through the steps together. Nice and simple. First, open up the Discord app on your computer and make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture along with a small gear icon. That gear is your user settings, so go ahead and click on it. Next, within your settings menu, you'll be taken straight to the My Account section. This area is where you can update your username, email, or change your password. But what we're looking for is further down the page. Scroll until you find the option labeled Disable Account. This is the feature that allows you to deactivate your profile without permanently removing it. When you click Disable Account, Discord will ask you to confirm the action by entering your password. Type in your account password carefully. This step is important because it ensures that no one else can disable your account without your permission. After entering your password, simply click the Disable Account button one more time. And that's it. Your Discord account is now deactivated. While it's disabled, people won't be able to contact you on Discord, and your profile won't be active. But don't worry. Unlike deleting your account, you can always come back later and reactivate it by signing in again. Disabling your account is a great choice if you just need some time away from chats, servers, and notifications. It gives you a break without losing all your data or connections. So to recap quickly, open the Discord app, click the gear icon, go to My Account, select Disable Account, enter your password, and then confirm. Thanks for watching.